Booger check. Every time I get out the shower, them things be hanging out there. Hello world. Hello guys. I will be doing a little quick natural glow glam today for you guys. I'm going on a little lunch date and yeah, I decided to, you know, do a little something. Well, he wanted to see me a little, you know, a little cute today. Usually I don't really put no makeup on when we go on dates like that, or not at all. But today he wanted me to do a little something in my face. I'm like, okay, say less, because you know I'm a makeup artist.
Hey, yeah. Hey, hey, hey. Damn, I want some head, but I chose the dough instead. I could never ever let a nigga fuck me out my bread. Ain't no dick alive that could make me lose my mind. Every nigga that done tried still be crying on my time. Hey, lick, 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 lick. This is not about your dick. These are simply just instructions on how you should treat my clip. Hey, gotta get my ass say, gotta make that ass shake. Gotta swipe the nigga cost so much they had to call the bank.
Okay, brows are done. I just want to get it out the way. Let's get into it. I'm gonna be doing a natural glow once again, and I call them natural glow because, you know, my business is Glow by Low. My brand is Glow with Flow on YouTube, and today I will be trying out Ivy Beauty Natural Palette. Yes, get into it. As you can see, it has been used a little bit on some of my clients, but just not on me. Let's get started. Tell me what my mama wants me to. She was supposed to cook today, but she wants me to make some white rice so we can eat some leftovers. And we still got leftovers from when I cooked. See, wasting food, wasteful. But you used to love to want to give lectures on how, when we was children, how we used to waste food. Oh, well, we only eat leftovers. What about you? What about you? You cooking and wasting food. That's fine. I do my own cooking. My man love my cooking anyway, so that's all that matters. I want to do something like this for Halloween. Giving the girls ghosts. Okay, the girls all matted up. Okay, period. Well, you can see my nipple. That's not it. That ain't it. For the people like, your nipple is something. Your nipple's about to slip out. It's not. I'm gonna be doing a faded crease, nothing too drastic, you know what I'm saying? Keep it cute, simple. I still don't even know wholeheartedly what I'm wearing. It's dark brown. It looks a lot darker. There you go. If you put too much shadow on your brush, just tap your brush. And it'll take off some of the residue. And if you do go higher up than you want to, like close to your brow, and you don't really want it that way, not my conceal brush. However, all you're doing, you will just go like that. You would brush this way. But light on the concealer, enough to get it back down, but not a whole lot, as if you're finna put another chunk of eyeshadow on that bit. No, ma'am. It's so weird to just get hot. What the heck? I know I'm too young for hot flashes. I think that's pretty good. I'm gonna put a dab of more concealer on though, so the gold natural look that I'm going to do still is vibrant. Cause you don't gotta buy expensive ass brands just to have a bomb ass face. Get that out your head. Or just so you can say, well, I only use that. I only use that. I only use. Shut up. Still putting the crease kind of high because I want it to be visible when I close my eyes. When I open my eyes, I can see more of the brown too. But I'm getting concealer all over my lashes, dog. I did someone makeup. I did people's makeup with lash extensions before. Lashes already done, but myself is a different story. By my girl Chantel on Instagram _lashed out studio, no S _. underscore lifestyle studio underscore. I'm gonna put that down in her page over here. You're gonna see it. I don't know if it's gonna be on the left or the right. She does her thing and she does have specials sometimes, so just keep a lookout if you follow her. That definitely lasts you. Still had a good amount of lashes still on after 4 weeks. Damn, there's one higher than the other. Show lid. If you mess up, there's nothing, a little bit of concealer blending and reapplying. Cause trust you girls be messing up sometimes. I want it to be that high though, but we're gonna make corrections like I said. You're gonna use your concealer brush and dab it, dab, dab. We're gonna be using probably the brightest golds on here, which is this one and this one. I'll put it closer. I already applied some of the darker gold and I'm fucking with it. The pigmentation. Okay, IV Beauty, girl. You outdid yourself. You see? Do y'all see that? The fuck? Wow. I'm starting with the end first so I can do the lighter gold in the front and it'll be more of an ombre. But you can do either or, but I feel like it's easier to start from the end and work your way. The end and work your way in. Okay. Y'all can see it. The fuck? Oh, fuck me. Damn, an error. I'm just gonna put concealer right on that bit and reapply that brown. Simple, problem solved. It looks so cute. I really like the golds on here. I'm probably gonna refade out the ends with the brown. Okay, now it's time for the eyeliner, and usually I'll use Ruby Kisses eyeliner. That's what I've been using in the past, liquid eyeliner. The hairstyle I went to, they ain't have Ruby Kisses, so I picked up this other one, and when I tell you this has been the truth, like I like the brush so much better. And the tip is a lot different from the Ruby Kisses one. It's actually a lot wetter. Ruby Kisses one, it's like this. It's kind of like a marker tip. A big old mess. Trying to be careful and I still make a fucking mess. I've been using this beauty hack for an eyeliner for the past year now, and it works wonders for me. I use my Ivy Beauty multicolor palettes in Black. You don't know what I've been through. Said smoke, don't be about it, get your issue. Cut the fan off.
And this color, once again, LA Girl. Don't sleep on it. 20 watt. Pigmented as fuck.
See, didn't even have to do much. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I know you heard them vocals low key. If I practiced hard enough as a child, I could have been a singer. Unofficially. News. I'm telling y'all. But really, I was asleep by myself, and that's why I didn't become a star singer, so disregard. I'm about to do my infamous mole that bitches in high school used to be hating on me about. But people do all the fucking time, and I still was doing it, and I'm still doing it now, so and what? The fuck? Pussy look good, y'all, so y'all just hating ass hoes, and that's what hating ass hoes do, talk and run their mouth. But guess what? Showing stops, so you talked for what? Just to flap your fucking gums. It's like a celebration date, not officially our celebration date. He wants to treat me to a lunch because I've been, you know, just doing pretty good compared to how my life was a year ago from now, and blessings have been coming up for me. And you know, like I mentioned in my last video, I've gained some more weight, something that I thought probably wasn't gonna happen for me for a long ass time, or maybe people kept telling me, oh, you gain weight when you have kids, blah 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 blah. I'm not trying to pop out no kids to have the body that I want, and then on top of that, I'm not gonna have the body that I want because shit might start to sag and do all types of different things, okay? And I don't want that. Last year I've been gaining weight. It was fluctuating in the beginning of the year, but the past month or two, I've passed the heaviest I've ever been. I thought I'd never get past 112. I thought I'd never get past 112. I was 112 the 11th grade. That was the most heaviest I've been. When I tell you, girl, past 112, past 115, I almost cried. It's still surreal for me because my goal is to be 125. But even when sometimes on a day where I'm eating a lot and it says I'm 119, I'm like, can't be. So I might go past 125, to be honest. My booty done got a little bigger. My face kind of got a little wider, not too drastically. I stopped a frequent habit that I used to do, and I don't want to say like I'm like done with it completely, but I want to take a break from it. Smoking. I want to take a break from it, so I can, you know, focus more on trying to gain weight and stuff. Because ever since I started 4 years ago, your girl never stopped. Okay? Never. Even when there was time periods where the person who kind of was somewhat of a big factor in how often I smoked, and it ended becoming a habit, even when they stopped smoking, I was like, this ain't my job. What I gotta stop smoking for? I'll just not smoke around you. But you ain't gonna stop. Now, mind you, I'm very cheap, so I ain't trying to go to the weed man more than once a week. I went to the weed man probably every other week, to be honest with you. Every other week and a half. I ain't trying to be there too often. I don't want to feel like I'm wasting my money on weed all the time. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, it's actually unofficially been a little over a month, and that's big for me. I was going like a week and a half, like throughout, like earlier in the year, but a consistent time period, yeah, never done. But I still was having like heavier urges. Now I don't really have the urge that much, and if I do, I just try to occupy myself with something different. I'm liking this. Let me go ahead and put my wig on. I'm gonna come back with a finishing look. This is the finishing look. How y'all feeling it? Review on this hair. It's SVT hair from AliExpress. Never buying it again, but it's kind of sitting on me or whatever. It's just a little thin, but it's a wig that I bought. I usually make my wigs, but yeah, never again am I buying one. And my comb's in the bathroom. I'm gonna give y'all a little full body, new body. Why my titties look so huge? Fuck. I can't really see my shoes. I'm just wearing black flats, but this is it. This skirt is mad tight from Fashion Nova, so I can't really maneuver, but y'all get the point.